Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very good news for BHMS students. Now this news is relating to the MUHS, that is Maharashtra University of Health Sciences Nasik, and this notification is actually dated on 17th October 2019. Now according to this notification, which you can see on your screens, you can see that it is in Marathi, so I'm going to translate it to you in English. So according to the MUHS, that is Maharashtra University of Health Sciences Nasik, from 2019-20 batch onwards, the BHMS first year is going to become ATKT. So that means even if the candidate is failing in one or two subjects, they can attend the second year classes and they can appear the exam after 6 months. So they will be allowed to appear in the second BHMS exams, but they have to pass 6 months before their final second year exam. So once they pass, there is a term of 6 months, and then after that they'll give their second BHMS exam. So basically it's an ATKT which is already applied to all the other batches from second year to final year, but it was not for the first year. Now from the batch of 1920 onwards, that is BHMS batch 2019-2020 onwards, even if you fail in your first year BHMS in one or two subjects, you are allowed to appear in the second year teaching program. That is, you can attend all the classes of second year. Then after 6 months you can appear again for the first BHMS exam and then pass, and then after 6 months you are going to appear for the second BHMS exam. That is the whole idea of ATKT. So congratulations, you have got ATKT for first year BHMS. So this video was all about that. And if you like my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates. And don't forget to share this video with your friends to share this very good news. Thank you.